si Liza Smugs ba ang nasa likod nito. Okay? So kahapon na isingit natin sa vlog natin na nagtatanong kayo kung ano yung opinion natin dito. Meron nga akong friend, si Don Rolando actually. Nakakilala niya yung kapatid ni Mr. Sonza dito sa New York. Okay, dito sa Amerika. Hindi pa ako makakomment doon kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam yung punot dulo dahil wala rin namang pahayag pa si Jason sa, 'di ba? Dahil hanggang ngayon naka-detain siya. Pero ang nabanggit sa atin ng ating friend na si Don Rolando, shout out sa kanya, na ang alam ng kanyang kapatid, yung kaso ni JS wala na yan dahil yung complainant yan ay hindi naman nagpapakita. Okay, here's my take. Now, binalita ng mga mainstream media yung ano ang kondisyon o ano na ang status nitong kaso niya. Alright, so sabi sa GMA, tignan natin sa GMA, at bago natin ibigay ating opinion, court dismisses illegal recruitment cases versus Jason Sa. So, dinismiss, okay, mamaya basahin natin yung court decision. Then, ano ba itong isa? Sa Manila, the Manila Times, Jason Sa ordered release but remains in jail. Yes, na-dismiss na nga. So, basahin natin ang court order na na-send sa atin ng ating palangga. Okay, yan yung court order. Okay, so nakasulat dyan, nakasaad dyan, tagalin na natin kasi maliit. Nakasaad dyan na, okay, order, okay, People of the Philippines versus Jason Sa. At today, initial presentation of prosecution's evidence on the hearing of the petition for bail, the following appeared. ACP Edward Jason P. Sejo, okay, Public Prosecutor, Attorney Torion, Counsel for Accused Sonza in collaboration with Attorney John Miguel Manuel, and accused Sonza, a person deprived of liberty, currently confined at the Quezon City Ligtas COVID facility. Upon his motion, accused petition for bail is hereby withdrawn. So withdraw, but sabi dito, dahil ito, private complainants failed to appear. So tama yung sinabi sa atin ni Don Rolando coming from the sister of Mr. Jason Sa, na wala ngang complainant. Okay? Walang nagpupush ng case na ito. So sabi dito, this is not the first time that they failed to appear upon motion of accused without objection on the part of the people. Considering that with the non-appearance of private complainant, so the guilt of accused could not be proved, okay, beyond reasonable doubt. Could not be proved dahil nga wala namang hearing nagaganap dahil hindi nga nagpapakita itong certain na nagrereklamo sa kanya. So the instant case is hereby dismissed provisionally. So dinismiss siya provisionally, then subject to further whatever later, 'di ba? Kung mag-appear itong complainant na ito, mga palangga, yung nagdemanda sa kanya. So, wala naman. So, kaya nga dito, sabi dito, the jail warden facility and the male dorm QCJ is hereby ordered to release accused from detention. Ito, focus on this. Unless held or some lawful other cause. So, true enough, kasi hindi pa siya nakakalaya hanggang ngayon, mga kababayan. Orlando Nicolas, Solid Maharlikan ako. Thank you. So, naalala ninyo, kahapon, ang sabi ko, ito ay politically motivated. You know, itong aking analysis dito. Alright? Kung matatandaan ninyo, kung babalikan, hindi pala matatandaan, check ninyo yung mga post ni Mr. Jason Sa. Duterte Marcos siya, actually pareho kami. Then later on, dahil nakita niya yung mga kabulastugan, naging critical siya. So actually, hindi naman siya ganun ka-critical like me. Dahil ako, minumura ko pa sila ng bonggang-bongga. But ganun pa man, tignan muna natin dito sa The Manila Times bago natin tuloy-tuloy yung reaction at bago natin sabihin kung si Liza Smugs ba ang nasa likod nito. Okay? Dahil ang babaeng yan, ang punot dulo ng lahat ng kawalanghiyaan sa bayan natin. Sabi ng The Manila Times, okay? Jason sa ordered released but remains in jail. Former newscaster and talk show host Jason has been ordered released from detention following the dismissal of criminal cases filed against him before 2QC Quezon City Regional Trial Court but opted to remain in jail. Okay? Kailangan siyang panatilin daw sa jail dahil dito, Sonsa's decision stemmed from another commitment order that was issued to him to remain. So, to detain at the QCJ or the Quezon City Jail, Quarantine Facility, Barangay Payatas over a libel case filed against him. Over a libel case filed against him. Filed pa lang. Hindi pa siya convicted katulad ni Maria Ressa. Okay? Alright. Then, gusto siyang panatilihin sa jail dahil meron pa siyang nakabinbin na kaso. Mga kababayan, hindi siya convicted. Wala pang hatol, wala pang verdict. Pero ang QCJ ay malamang sa malamang ay may basbas yan ng ahas. Hindi pa siya convicted eh. Bakit siya i-remain sa kulungan? I hope yung mga abogado ni Mr. Jason ay magagaling at ilaban niyo po yan. Next dito sa article, a jail official who requested anonymity told the Manila Times via Viber that Sonza, who reportedly refused to talk with anyone, even with some politicians, until his cases were over. Alam mo, kaabang-abang to eh, yung pagsasalta ni Mr. Jason. Kaya malalaman natin sa kanya direct from his statement later and I can't wait for that. Okay? Sabi ko, gusto na pinili niyang manahimik muna. Okay? Ayaw niya muna magsalta. Okay? By Friday, his libel case will be heard. Tong Friday na ito, his libel case will be heard and he is expected to post bail amount 10,000 for his temporary liberty. Ihir pa lang siya. Again, hindi pa nga siya convicted palangga eh. Another thing, another statement here, aside from QCRTC Branch 215, Judge Edita Mina Aguba of Branch 100 decided to dismiss the case against Sonza due to the repeated non-appearance of private complainants. Yun na nga kanina. So upon motion of accuses without objection on part of the people, considering, okay, that with the non-appearance of private complainants, the guilt, ayun na nga, of the accused could not be proven beyond reasonable doubt. So the instant case is hereby dismissed. Ayun yung binasa ko kanina. The judge ordered, okay, so the judge ordered the release of Sonza. Sonza was scheduled, ito ang eksena, alam niyo to. Sonza was scheduled to leave for Hong Kong on July 18 when immigration officials took him inside at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3 for an interview. The former broadcaster was later prevented from boarding his flight after it was discovered that he was a pending case of estafa. So, in-interview siya, okay? Then nakita nila, sinilip nila na meron siyang pending case na estafa at yung libel na yan, kung ano man yan, but wala siyang whole departure order. At wala siyang verdict na siya ay convicted fellow. Diba? Wala, hindi siya convicted. Ayan, si Don Rolando, ayan ang nagbigay sa akin. Gandang gabi sa lahat ng mga kamaharlikans. Ngayon, sabi dito, nung in-interview siya sa ng Bureau of Immigration sa airport, this prompted, okay, nung nalaman na may kaso-kaso siya, this prompted the Bureau of Immigration to detain him temporarily. So dahil nalaman lang, trip-trip lang ng immigration, so didetain muna siya. At tinransfer na nga siya sa presuhan. Oh, it's about, okay, so here's my take, mga kababayan. Itong nangyayari kay Jason ay message ito sa taong bayan ng makademonyong gobyernong ito na kapag ikaw ay critical ka sa gobyerno ay kaya ka na lang i-detain, kaya ka nilang pigilan na mamasyal, na maglabas sa bansa kahit walang whole departure order, kahit hindi ka convicted. Why? Mga kababayan, kung minamahal, ang statement, dito tayo magbe-base sa statement ni Liza Araneta Marcos na ahas ng lipunan. Bakit kailangan ko i-connect? Meron po siyang binitawang salita. Hindi niya pwedeng pagsinungalingan ito. Okay? Diyan sa loob ng kanyang mga nasasakupan, dahil demonya yan eh.